Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to share with you a Temu haul. So I have been seeing Temu videos on TikTok. It sounds kind of like a Shein type of situation where you can get stuff like on the cheap for like clothes, accessories, household goods, everything like that. So anyways, I didn't even think anything of it. They actually reached out to me and asked if I wanted to be part of their influencer program. So I said, sure, why not? Let's give it a try. They gave me $80 and I could pick out whatever I wanted from like a few different categories. So I chose the dupes section and I picked like $80 worth of stuff from there. And I'm here to show you what all I got and whether or not I like it. I do have a coupon code that they shared with me. I believe you get 50% off. I will link it down in the description box below. And then I think you also get, I don't know, all the information will be down below. I'm new to this and I'm gonna show you everything. So first things first, I really wanted to get like the faux Bogg bag. This is the one I got. I got the regular size. I think I should have gotten the jumbo or large size. I think that's the size most people get, but I got the regular size and it's actually like still a pretty decent size. I mean, like, look at that. It's still big. And it's rubber. Obviously it's gonna be great at the pool or the beach. And then I don't want you guys to think I got the accessories with it. Those were separate, but they were under $10. I got a pack of these little clips and bags. So it came with this bag right here. I put it on the outside. And it came with two other bags, this medium and this large. See, the large one would be too big. I think I would need like the large Bogg bag thing to put this in. So I'm just gonna save it. And it came with the little black clips to clip it on to the bag. And then these little clips are for like you to hang your keys or your sunglasses. So I just attached those there. I did not realize that these clips came with these clear bags. So I actually ordered a separate set for like $1, but figured they'll be nice to have on hand because I do plan on ordering the large bag because I actually ordered this divider too for the Bogg bag, but it doesn't fit in this one. It fits in the large bag, so I'm definitely gonna have to be ordering the bigger one. But I went back and looked and it did not say what the size was, so a little fail on that part. I got this travel bag. I know these like patches are very popular right now. I thought it was super cute. They had a bunch of different ones for like medicine, toiletries, etc. It's pretty spacious. I think this will be really awesome while traveling. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it yet or give it to one of the kids, but it's super cute. I like it. And then I also got some fanny packs. This is like a cream colored one with an L. Has a zipper in the back, and it has a zipper up top as well with a few little like knitted areas for you to keep stuff. And then I got a plain black one, same concept, zipper, main zipper and zipper on the back, and they are both adjustable. I mean, these seem like pretty decent quality. Haven't used them yet, but I mean, the zipper, everything works. They look nice. I also been seeing these slippers everywhere. I ordered my size, so I'm like a size 6 in shoes. So I got a 6'7", and they are true to size. They are super, super soft. I really like these. I'm glad I ordered them. But what I am not glad that I ordered were these shoes. So they looked cute in the photo, but they're like super square on top. Super, super thin, and these are like rubber. Like, look how they bend. Like, they fit me, so they are true to size, but they are so thin and just, they're like a big rubber mat that is on my feet. I could not really wear them. And then I got these, which are really pretty, but the way this sits on like the back of my heel, the sandal does not stay on. These are a little bit thicker, so you don't feel like you're wearing a rubber, but they still have like a very square top like that. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of these either, and they don't sit right on my foot. So kind of wish I hadn't ordered the actual like sandals from there. And then the divider board just didn't fit my bag. But everything else I actually really liked. I probably will order just some like accessory type stuff from there again. Not sure about the shoes. But anyways, they're always having sales. Stuff is pretty affordable. So if you guys want to check out Temu, it is not a scam. It's legit. This showed up in like less than a week in a bright orange package right to my door. So if you guys want to give it a try, again, use the coupon code in my bio for 50% off. I will also link it, not in my bio, we're on YouTube. I will link it in the description box. If you guys were on Instagram, I'd have it in my bio. Anyways, guys, that is it for my review of Temu. Again, I think it's gonna be hit or miss. Clothing might be but as far as the accessories right now, can't complain. Everything is as described. Well, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.